Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends. Welcome back to another video of KD Innovative. Today we are talking about best 5 software of animation. You will be learn about everything in animations to know about this 5 softwares. Let's begin. First softwares in our list. Autodesk Maya. Maya is a very popular software in animation industry. It is used in 3D program software, industry standard, used by large studios, character animation, visual effects, game design, film, TV, commercials. My opinion, Maya is the best software of animations. It is used in popular studios such as Pixar, Walt Disney Studios or DreamWorks Animations. Autodesk 3ds Max. 3ds Max is the second largest big software of Autodesk Studios, formerly now 3ds Studio Max. Its use as character animation, visual effects, game design, film, TV, commercials, and architecture. 3ds Studios Max its big use in architecture industry. Its big user are 3D visualizers. All over main features is to handle to modeling, texturing, lighting and animation. Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is a motion graphics artist best friend. Cinema 4D is owned by Amaxon Computers of Germany. It is a best 3D software for After Effects users. Cinema 4D is now the top-rated software in animation industry. It has in use movies, commercials, TV, game design and visual effects. Blender. Blender is free and open source software for use creating animated films, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, interactive 3D applications, and video games. It's providing large of modeling, texturing, lighting and animation. Blender is a very easy to use in beginner. It's not more professional. If you are beginner you can try Blender. You can get the course of Blender animation. Flash. Flash is most popular 2D animation software. Flash is Adobe Creative Suite software. Flash has a long traditional animation making. Flash is vector-based. This software is used large for 2D animation, YouTube videos. Flash is used TV industry, movie and 2D games and many more. Thank you for watching.